Best Bites Forever.
Hey everyone, welcome to Best Bites Forever. I'm Chef Alicia, and in this video you'll learn to make this lavender lemon no-bake cheesecake. I'm starting off here with 5.5 ounces of these yummy little lemon cookies. I'm sorry guys because I did not count my cookies. I want to say I had like 11 or 13, but I totally forgot to count them. I did do it by weight though, it was 5.5 ounces. So I am just pulsing these in my food processor, and actually my little girl Tia is pulsing them because she is my helper right now. And then I'm adding in 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Pulse it until it comes together a little bit. Put it into the pan that you're going to use. I'm just using a pie pan, and I'm going to mash that until it's flat. Here in this bowl we are putting 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we are going to use the hand mixer, and there's my little Tia helping out. We're going to use the hand mixer to mix this up until it gets nice and fluffy. And then I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and give it another nice little mix until I get that sugar combined into the cream. So once I have that nice and combined, I'm going to set that over to the side. And I have 2 8-ounce pieces of cream cheese here, and I have added in another 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And again, we're just going to mix that together until it's nice and creamy. Meanwhile, by the way, the crust is in the refrigerator. Here we added in 1 tablespoon of dried lavender flowers, and we're going to mix that around just for a couple of minutes. And then go back over here to our whipped cream, and that is going to get folded extremely gently into our cream cheese mixture. This doesn't get a chance to get nice and fluffy and light in the oven, so you have to make sure you keep that lightness in the whipped cream by folding it in gently. The next thing that we're going to do is take that shell out of the refrigerator and add the filling into it. I'm going to spread this out nice and flat as gently as possible. I'm very sorry because I forgot to show you a picture of what it looked like when it was nice and flat, but it goes into the fridge for about 3 hours, and when you slice it up, it's going to look like this. Enjoy! Hi again everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up or a like or whatever you want to call it. Also share it with all of your friends because sharing is caring. And if you're not already a subscriber, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and be a subscriber now because you don't want to miss any of the upcoming awesomeness that's coming because it's awesomeness. And you can find me on my other social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, and bestbitesforever.com, which is my blog. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone.
bestbitesforever.com